elements. Notice the common n and the expression between the two brackets. A intersect B. How many elements are in the set A intersect B? 2. Very good. Now this is a diagram that we use to show intersection. When you see the two circles join each other like this, it means what? They are intersecting. This 2 now, it tells us what? This 2 now tells us the number of elements which are in both set A and set B. So this 2 tells us the number of elements which are in both set A and set B. So it does not mean, we're not talking about the 2 that is in set A and the 2 that is in set B. When you see they put a number right here, they are speaking of the number of elements which are in both set A and set B. Now, this 2 here now is telling us what? It is telling us the number of elements in set A only. So we are saying that there's 2 elements in A only. Very good. And if you were to go back to your notes, you realize that there are 4 elements in what? A. So if you add 2 plus 2, we'll get what? 4. But there are 2 elements in A only. Now what is this 7 telling us now? That 7 is telling us what? The number of elements in set B what? Only. And once again, if you go back to your notes, you will see that if you add 2 and 7, you'll get what? 9. And if you count the number of elements in B, you should get what? 9. But the 7 here is telling us the number of elements in set B only. Try this question. State the elements that are common to both sets. C is equal to multiples of 3 less than 10 and D is equal to even numbers less than 10. Also draw a diagram to illustrate the information above. Use the example given before. Answer. Your answer here is C intersect D is equal to 6. Now listen to the video clip for the second part of your answer. Now here's your answer to the second part of the question. So we're going to draw a diagram. So first of all, you should have had multiples of 3, which are 3, 6, and what? 9. And then even numbers less than 10, so this will be set C, and then even numbers less than 10 to set D, which will be what? 2, 4, 6, 8, and less than 10. Good. So our diagram then should be something like this. Set C, set D, and 6 is in both what? Sets. So 6 is here. And then now 3 and 9 will be here, and then 2, 4 and 8. So your correct answer then is this. Number of elements is 1, and then the number of elements here is 2. The number of elements in D only is 3. So this one should be your answer. This one. Good. So this is telling us there's 2 elements in C only, and this is telling us there's 3 elements in D only. That this one once again should be your answer. Complement of a set. The complement of a set are the members of a set which does not belong to the other set. For example, C is equal to multiples of 3 less than 10 and D is equal to what? Even numbers less than 10. You may pause your video and find out what the multiples of 3 are and list them, the even numbers less than 10, and then what? List them. For example, now listen keenly to the video clip.
Now set C is equal to multiples of 3 less than 10, which would be 3, 6, 9. Good. And then set D is equal to even numbers less than 10, which would be 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we're talking about complement of a set. I will say a complement of a set are the set of numbers which does not belong to the other set. Now let's look at the set of numbers which belong to both sets now. Now 6 belong to both what? Sets. So we can draw a little circle around here. This number belong to both sets. But 3 and 9 don't belong to set what? D. So we're going to say the complement of D, this symbol means what? Complement is equal to what now? 3 and 9. Right? So 3 and 9 is complement to what? Set D. And then the complement of set C would be what now? Be 2, 4 and 8. Very good. Now, in a Venn diagram, or in a diagram itself, we have this. So 6, the number of elements in set C intersects set D, which you know already, will be 1. The number of elements in D complement, which is C only, will be what? 2. And the number of elements in C complement, which is D only, will be what? 1, 2, 3. And that's what we mean by complement of a set. So these elements do not belong to set D, so they are complement of set D. These elements do not belong to set C, so they are complement of set C. That's what we mean by complement of a set.
Try this question. State the complement of C intersect D. Answer: C intersect D complement, so this symbol here is supposed to be what? Complement, is equal to what? 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. If you got this wrong, go back to the example and see where you went wrong. So once again, your answer is C intersect D complement is equal to 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. The end of another lesson created by Ronique Bernard.
The days of Elijah, declaring the word of the Lord. And these are the days of your servant Moses, righteousness being restored. And though these are days of great trials, of famine and darkness and sword, still we are the voice in the desert, crying, prepare ye the way of the Lord.
Me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, say that you grasp where them tell you no. Go get your education. Me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, say that you grasp where them tell you no. Now the machine a better you go the dashing instead of you dip on the corner and I get your head machine. The little youths them nowadays them need to learn to love, to read and recognize for your survivor education and the key youth. From George's, KC and JC, Valley Camper down with a brook and Papine, Calabar and Dunwoodin, till read the news about the pick up the two cause of the books so no fi read and so get your education. Me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, he said that you grasp when them tell you no. Go get your education. Me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, he said that you grasp when them tell you no. Back in all my school days, me used to have it hard, but me also go to school anyways. Mama never get paid, but that never stopped me from getting my education serious. So
teacher, feed the students. Get your uniform press, pack your knapsack. Kim says school of the thing. Prefect of being